Hello, today's session we are going to be doing some self-massage using Gua Sha tools or scraping tools or also the graston technique. Gua Sha is from Chinese preventive medicine and graston is from the West. So we are going to work on alleviate your scapula, some to help neck pains. This muscle levator scapular, which I will show you some pictures now. It connects to the top of the neck, the top four vertebrae, very small point. Fingers coming out, and then it goes down, and it just goes on the corner of the scapula. This muscle can get really, become really a problem for many people. From having shoulders issues, to tension headache. So it's a really good one to work if you have any of those issues. So remember, if you are going to get into doing some self-massage, always think about your position. Try to be nice and relaxed. Don't get too tensed up and need to be in an upright position. Don't bring your shoulders up. Remember, just be relaxed, and then also have nice breathing. Nice deep breathing, especially if you have an issue here, it might hurt. So if that hurt is going, if you're breathing, it helps to release it. You're bringing a lot of air in it, helps move the tissues. Okay, so take some oil or lotion, whatever you prefer. It doesn't really matter, just to help the glide. Okay, and of course you do this as hard or as soft as you like. No reason to go deep into it. You might have seen other videos where you see people with big red marks on it. You don't have to do it. So here I've already started, and it's really just to get into it. I'm trying to keep my head up here to keep an eye contact with you, but it's better even to totally relax your head, and you can twist it, maybe play with it back and forth. Okay, so it's really to get into it for quite a while and feel it. Maybe you might want to put your other hand up on your head, on your neck, and feel the vertebrae, and then you can feel how close you're getting to it. And if you're really on it, not here in the front too much, on other muscles. We're really just trying to focus on the one. You can always look at other videos of mine that show more neck release, more nut muscles in the neck to work on. So again, keep breathing, feeling, and just trying to get that one muscle. And go as hard as you like, but just keep it quite consistent for a while. You can point it straight down. I usually go on a little bit of an edge movement. Keep breathing and relaxing, being relaxed. Up at the top a little bit more. But yes, it's quite a vigorous thing you're trying to do. As well as the tools, you can say I'm using a Gua Sha tool, but many people you don't need to have this particular tool. Some people use just spoons or wrenches even. Anything that has a nice round surface. So they say on most treatments in Gua Sha that you should spend maybe 10 minutes on it. So you just need to spend that time on it, and you're really going to find yourself alleviating a lot of tension, a lot of toxins come out. And this is what it's all about with the Gua Sha. It's bringing up the Sha, Gua Sha, which means releasing the sediment, or bringing up the sediment of tissues that get stuck in your muscles from our lives. Okay, we'll stop there. You get the idea. Remember, you are your body solution master. Just work on it as long as you can. Might at first times you do it, you feel like your muscles in your arm don't feel good there. But if you continue and continue to work on your issues, you just get better at it. You get better at the techniques. You get better at feeling where you might want to go deeper. So spend your time on yourself. Go into it. That's how you help yourself, by getting into your body. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please share and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, scroll down. You have information there. You can leave a comment. I get back to you if you want to have more details about any of your problems. Okay, thank you so much again, and have a great day.